Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2013 Suzuki GSX-R600 Supersport. Beautiful blue and white racing livery, white wheels. Those things are very sharp eye catchers. 15,000 miles, only $69.99. It's got frame sliders, M4 exhaust system, fender eliminator, nearly brand new tires on this gorgeous GSX 600. Make your super sport dreams come true for just $69.99. Come by, check it out, make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Oh yeah. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.